If you have an interest in tea and want to expand your knowledge, our earlier videos will be very helpful. They provide clear explanations of the processes involved in fixation, oxidation and fermentation across different types of tea, including green, black and dark tea. Understanding wilting, rolling and drying is essential for grasping how white tea is made. Let's review the entire tea-making process. Wilting, fixation, rolling, oxidation, drying and fermentation. Now we examine each type of tea individually. For green tea, the process begins with light wilting, followed by fixation, rolling and then drying. Green tea undergoes no oxidation. High temperatures are applied to halt enzyme activity, preserving the tea's flavor and health benefits in their most natural state. Black tea starts with a stronger wilting, followed by rolling, oxidation and drying. Unlike green tea, black tea does not undergo fixation. Full oxidation of the tea leaves is crucial to its production. Dark tea commences with light wilting, then moves on to fixation, rolling, drying and finally fermentation. The steps before fermentation are identical to those used for green tea. Dark tea is produced from processed green tea that undergoes additional fermentation through piling. Thus, dark tea is derived not from freshly picked leaves but from processed green tea. White tea involves just 2 steps: wilting and drying. This method minimizes intervention and maintains low temperatures, with no fixation, oxidation, or fermentation. This approach helps retain high levels of catechins and L-theanine. Other videos detail the differences among fixation, oxidation, and fermentation, so be sure to check them out. We welcome any questions or inquiries.